How to forward ports on a Palo Alto firewall. Objects. Follow these steps. Name the IP addresses. Addresses. IP address on the outside interface. Address. Next, the IP address you want to forward to. Target IP address. This could be the address of a server in the local network or a camera system. Next, name the port you are forwarding. Services. Name. For example, I am forwarding port 3389, Windows Remote Desktop Service. Next, forward port 3389 as follows. Policies. Name. Original packet. Source zone WAN. Destination zone LAN. Service, the service you just named in the previous step. Destination address, IP address on the outside interface. WAN IP address, translated packet. Translation type static IP. Translated address, the address of a server in the local network. Target IP address. Translated port to port you want to forward. 3389. Next, security. Allow port forwarding. Source WAN. Destination LAN. Destination address, IP address on the outside interface. Service. The service you just named. Actions allow. Okay, the above is how to forward ports on Palo Alto Firewall. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Apply changes. Completed. Check results. Port is open.